Guys, we're going to do problems. I'm going to do problem 9 with you, and then you guys are going to do 10 and 11 on your own. So let's start with problem 9. New problem now. There's a species of bamboo that can grow an average of 60 centimeters per day. You're going to complete a table of values using the growth rate of the bamboo plant. That just means the growth rate is just how much it grows in a day, 60 centimeters per day. So if I have 0 days, I have 0 centimeters. If I have 1 day, I have 60. If I have 2 days, I have 120. If I have 10 days, I might have times 60, 600. And then if I have 20 days, I would have 1,200, right? And then if I have 30 days, I would have 1,800. So I'm just trying to use my graph, scale out. I picked these numbers arbitrarily. You could pick out any number you wanted, just as long as you know that the number of days times 60 centimeters per day equals the total centimeters. Okay, so let's take a look at what this looks like on the graph. All right, you have your days on the x-axis, your height on the y-axis. All right, and we're going to just go ahead and plot these out. I got 0 and 0. I got 1, and somewhere in here will probably be about 60. Right. I got 2 and 120. That's probably going to put me about right there. Then I jumped all the way up and I went to 10. And 10 was right at 600. And then I went to 20. And that was right at about 1,200. And then I went to 30. And that was all the way out at 1,800. So if I think I did a pretty decent job with my graphing. And I go ahead and draw my line through there. My line looks somewhat like this. It's a little bit off because I had to hit in between some of the tick marks. Didn't line up exactly 100%. So it should look something like this. All right. You guys can follow along with me. Use your chart, do a different chart. What you're going to do now is you're going to take the information from problem 9 and you're going to answer problem 10. Describe how the time affects the height of the bamboo plant. And number 11, is the number of days of growth proportional to the height of the bamboo plant? Explain your reasoning. Basically, are the days and the bamboo, are they proportional data sets? So go ahead, finish this up on your own or use mine, and then answers 10 and 11. The next video will give you the answers to 10 and 11.